Ready to transform your normal e-commerce business into one that experiences exponential growth year after year using online advertising? If so, this show is for you. Me and my guests will show you how you too can grow your e-commerce business to 7 or even 8 figures so you can go on more luxurious vacations, spoil yourself and your family, say yes to more opportunities, and become financially free so you never have to worry about money again. Welcome to the e-commerce performance marketing show. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Ecom Performance Marketing Show. So I have an incredible episode for you today because in this episode, I'm going to literally give you a campaign that you could run right away that's going to make money for your business for life. Yes, I just said that. It's a huge promise, and now I need to deliver, right? So what I'm talking about here is using Facebook advertising to target people that have upcoming birthdays. And there's a few variations you could play on with this as well. So this is going to be very, very powerful for you and your business no matter what you're selling. So with Facebook advertising, you can actually use the targeting on the ad set level to be able to target people that have upcoming birthdays. So think about that. So you can actually advertise whatever it is you're selling in your business. You can come up with an ad that works, that gets people to go and purchase your product because it's their birthday coming up. So if you have a great product that's great for a gift or great for someone to use for their upcoming birthday, you can advertise leading up to 30 days or prior up to their birthday. So you can advertise 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, 30 days, you name it, and you can advertise your product and a special offer to get your product because their birthday is coming up in the next 7, 14, 21, 30 days. You choose how long of a runway you give people to take advantage of that, which is awesome, right? On top of that, you can also target people that are friends of people that have birthdays coming up over the next 30 days as well. That could be powerful as well. You can also layer that. You can actually narrow that down to males or females and really like hone in on the copy and create messaging that's really compelling for a male or female and why they would want to buy your product as well. So this can be very, very powerful because you can run this evergreen. So you could run this evergreen, meaning that you could run this forever, and you could have this ad being in your ad campaign. You could have that specific ad set, whether it's targeting someone with an upcoming birthday, or if you want to do the whole if you want to advertise getting a gift for someone that you know that is celebrating an upcoming birthday here in the next 30 days, you could run this forever. And Facebook's gonna find people that fit into that description in the targeting. So this way it's showing the ad to the right person and getting that person over to your site to check out your product. And then in the ad itself, you can obviously advertise a promo code. So this way they could save 20% or they can get some sort of deal like a buy one, get one free, just because of the fact that they're buying a gift for themselves or they're buying a gift for someone with an upcoming birthday. Now, another thing you can do too on top of all this is you can actually target people based on their age, okay? So if you have a product that is relevant to age, that has like a hook you can play on, let's just say that you're selling a supplement that really is good for people that are over the age of 40, for example, and you want to target people over the next year or so that are about to celebrate a birthday, a 40th birthday, and you want to target friends of those people, or you want to target them because maybe they're concerned about turning 40 and they could really benefit from the gains that they're going to get from your supplement. Well, you can target people based on their upcoming birthday and the fact that they're going to be turning 40 because you can actually narrow it down to people that are 39. And then again, like I said before, you could even get the messaging even more specific and target people that are male or female. So you can do a lot of different things here no matter what you're selling. So if you're selling a beauty product, you can target a female that's about to turn 40 or 50. Or if you're targeting a male that's about to turn 40, there's obviously a lot you could play off of there when it comes to creating a message and a hook that's really going to resonate and get people to click because they're obviously getting that age and they might have a product that they could get from you that would benefit them. So you can totally use this ad campaign and this idea from this episode in your business, and because of the messaging being so precise and the targeting being so precise and matching with the messaging, this could really do wonders for you and your business. So I say this all the time. in every single episode, but you need to take action on this. If you're watching or listening to this episode, you need to go apply this right now. Like, you need to stop what you're doing, drop everything, unless it's a baby, don't drop a baby, and go do what I'm telling you here, because this could be phenomenal for you and your business. And you could easily create the ad and the creative. And here's what I'm gonna do for you to even help you take action, because I want you to be successful here. I want you to be able to take this content and use it in your business. This way you can start getting sales in your business forever, because this is a evergreen automated ad campaign that can get you sales forever. So I've actually created a quick template that you can use. You can just swipe it and you can use it in your ad campaign where you're targeting people that have upcoming birthdays or friends of people that have upcoming birthdays. You can use this template, adopt it for your business, and you can set up this ad campaign right away. So all you have to do to get this is go ahead and text to the phone number area code 1-938-444-8045, and then the keyword is success. Okay, I'm gonna say that one more time. So it's 1-938-444-8045, and that keyword is gonna be success. So do that. I'll give you access to the ecom success toolkit, and in that success toolkit, there's a lot of different goodies, but one of them is what I'm just talking about here, which is getting access to a template that I created right here on the fly, just for you. So this way you can take this and you can really apply the strategies from this specific episode, and you can make more money in your e-commerce business. So go ahead, take action right away. Go ahead and text the keyword success to 938-444-8045. Take action, implement this campaign, because this campaign is going to crush it for you. And I'm looking forward to hearing back from you and how this helped you be able to generate sales and more sales in your e-commerce business. Thank you so much for watching or listening to this episode. I appreciate it, and stay tuned for the next episode. We're going to talk about something that's going to be super impactful for you. We're going to talk about how building a business, you want to think about building your business as a brand that people remember, like a Coca-Cola or a Pepsi or an Apple or a Microsoft. We're going to talk about really the big picture that can really lead to wealth and legacy for you and your business. Instead of thinking about your business as a business that's just providing an income, you're going to think about your business as a real brand, a real business that can impact your life and generations by addressing it as a brand that you really want to grow and you want to create a valuation out of. I'm going to have a special guest that you may or may not be familiar with, because she's been on the show. And this guest is going to go over some incredible tips and incredible strategies on how you can think about your brand differently and grow your brands. This way you can create a valued brand that can really reward you and your family for life and also generations to come as well. So stay tuned for that episode. If you liked and appreciate this episode, be sure to subscribe or hit like below. And again, thank you so much for watching. Now go take action right away. Thank you for tuning into the e-commerce performance marketing show. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment with a timestamp of your favorite part and share it with a friend. Until our next episode, here's to you and the success of your e-commerce business.